Just bring your bag out here.
Okay.
Ma'am, stop going through it. You come step right back here. What did you take out of it?
Nothing. I was
Okay. All right, listen. Just come back here. I think we're getting off on the wrong foot, okay?
Because I'm really confused on why I'm getting stopped.
He's got several warrants.
Okay, that has nothing to do with me.
You don't know who's in the car.
Nobody's in my car.
Well, now I know that. However, now I'm going to address the other problems.
Okay, so you want my bag and all my belongings.
So just step right back here.
Can I use the restroom?
And let you know this is being audio and video recorded,
That's fine.
just to let you know.
Okay.
23, if you did have one more, that would be good.
10-4, dispatch any unit near Ewing Drive and for church, Ewing Drive and for church.
Can we step back here?
21 to 23, do you need me code 3?
Negative, just code 2. So it's just in here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, was there...
Well, I'm about 5 minutes from you.
Is this?
Yes. It's probably another bad week. Hey, Mom, I need you to come to Alpha Trinity Lane right here where Seco is, the Dollar General.
23 to
I
25.
just got pulled over because the mine name is on the car. And he wanted to know if he was in the car with me, but he's not in the car with me. But I do got weed.
Hey, are you available?
I'm right here in the Dollar General.
I can be in a couple minutes.
What is this?
Brick Church
Brick Church.
and Ewing.
Brick Church.
13, can I have you starting route? You're about 4 minutes away. Disregard on that.
Can I get my lighter?
Yeah, I'm not done with that though. Where's your lighter at?
In the car.
13, it says you're about 7 minutes away.
I'll get it for you in a second, okay?
So Ewing Drive and Brick
right there
Church
in your
and the Dollar General. Can I have you start route to 23?
You scaring me.
Thank you.
Yeah, come on. Here, do me a favor, turn around.
No, hold
Turn
on.
around.
Don't put me in handcuffs. I haven't done anything wrong.
Ma'am.
No, don't put me
You're about to get tased.
No!
Get down! Get down on the ground! Down on the ground!
No! 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 I didn't do nothing.
Step out. Ma'am! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! 23 shots fired! Shots fired!
10-4, 13, keep at that code 3.
.23, I'm hit.
Turn around.
Step out. Ma'am! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! 23 shots fired! Shots fired!
10-4, 13, keep at that code 3.
.23, I'm hit.